In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to enable dark mode and dark themes in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. So as you can see, my Windows 11 has been set into light. In order to enable the dark mode as well as the dark theme, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on the settings. By the way, you can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. So please wait until everything would be showing up here before we proceed. Okay, so once everything are showing, please navigate here at the left pane where you can see a list of the option, and please locate with personalization. Click on it. The moment you've tapped that, you would be able to bring up the personalization. From here, you need to navigate with themes. Click on this one. And the moment you do it, you would be able to bring up this themes settings. So here, as you can see that, as what I have said earlier, I have set my Windows 11 in light mode as of the moment. And in order to enable the dark mode and dark theme, just select this one. Okay. And the moment you've selected, wait until it would be completely be applied here in our Windows 11. So as you can see, it's now applying, so we just have to wait until it would be completely applied. So now it is being applied. As you can see, the settings turns into dark mode. And as you can see, when we minimize the settings, our window has been in dark mode as well. Okay? So if you would navigate here at the start as well, if you would click on it, you would be able to see it in a dark mode or a dark theme. Okay? And if you would also navigate to the icon here at the taskbar, when you click on this one, when you click on the Wi-Fi speaker or the battery icon, you would be able to open up a window where it is being set into dark mode. Yes, you can see this one. Okay, so that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.